I'm going to go over the top 3 reasons why most new sellers fail on Amazon. What is up, everyone? My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips and techniques that help out with my own Amazon FBA business so they could help you out as well. I also run a FBA Facebook group, which is free to join, of over 1,600 other FBA sellers and students. So if you want to join, hit the link in the description below and I will approve your request. But in this video, I'm going to go over the top 3 reasons why most new sellers fail on Amazon, and it will help you avoid these same mistakes or get over the hump if you are stuck. So before we get into it, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, do anything you can to help out the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. And if you want to see me do a video on another topic, comment below and I will reply to your comment and let you know. But let's get into my computer and show you the top 3 reasons why most new sellers fail on Amazon. Let's go. Alright everyone, we are in my computer and I'm going to go over the top 3 reasons why a lot of Amazon FBA sellers fail. Like I said, I run a FBA Facebook group, so I've talked to hundreds of different sellers. They message me, they show me their products, so I've seen what works and what doesn't work, as well as I run my own Amazon FBA business, so I want to get into it and show you the top 3 reasons. So here we go. So the main reason, which I see the most, is they don't pick the correct product. They have a bad product that they launch and they didn't do the proper product research or keyword research. That's why it's a good idea to use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, so you know the volume on the keywords, you know how to optimize your listing, you know what your competition is and what the sales will probably be. Again, it's an estimate, but it really does help so you have an idea of what to expect when you launch your product. So that's what I see the most, is mainly they have a bad product. So if you have a bad product and you're running ads for it, if it's a bad product or really competitive, you're just going to be wasting a ton of money. It's going to be harder to rank for keywords and it's going to cost a lot more to launch a really competitive product. It might take years before you actually can start to rank. So that is why it is very important to do the proper product and keyword research, like I said. Another reason is they choose what they want to sell, but they don't check the market, they don't check the trends, they don't check all the demand, all of the tools that you could use like Helium 10 again, and they see like a cell phone case and they think, oh, that looks easy to sell. So they try to sell a cell phone case and then they find out the hard way it's really competitive, they can't compete with the prices, and so on. So that's another reason they just pick a random product that they like, but they don't actually do the market research. Another thing is they didn't plan to check the numbers that they're making any profit, so they might launch a product and then see that they're not making any money. So there's no point in selling on Amazon if you're not making money. The main reason is to make money. In the beginning you might not make much, but eventually you will. But if you're competing against people with really low prices, it's going to be hard to make any type of money with that type of product. And then another one is they don't have enough capital to keep it going. So a lot of these other gurus out there say you only need like $500 or $1,000 to launch your product. But if you start selling your product and you don't have enough money to reorder more inventory, you are basically failing because you're not going to make much profit off your first batch. A lot of people break even. So I recommend having 2 times the amount of cost for your inventory so you could place another order. And when you're about to run out of inventory, you want to send more in so you don't lose your rank. So that is another reason why people fail, because they don't have enough capital to keep the business running. And then here we go. So that was all reason number 1, which I see the most, is mainly they don't pick a good product. They don't do their research and they jump into it too fast. They are anxious and they end up launching a bad product and they fail. So the next one is they are lazy. They don't put work in. And what I mean is they launch their product, they're not getting sales, and then they don't do anything about it. So they don't go into their PPC campaigns and optimize their keywords. They don't check on their business, what they could do to improve to get reviews or rank. They just say that it didn't work out, so they want to sell their inventory. They are also paying a ton of money in PPC or advertising because they didn't do the proper research, like I said in the reason number 1. But if they're running ads and it's not working, then they'll get frustrated and they'll give up. But again, if you have a bad product, just get rid of it. If it's not working, if you've tried everything that you can and it still failed, then it's time to move on to another product. And then here's another one. Like I said, they only launch one product and it fails, so they give up. They say it's not for them, but in reality, their main goal was to have their own Amazon FBA business. And if one product fails, you shouldn't give up right away. You should try another product. Try what you can do to fix that and see why it failed and then improve from there. They say it's too hard. That's another reason. So that is a second reason why a lot of Amazon FBA sellers fail. Either they're lazy, they say it's not for them. Again, they probably picked the wrong product and that's why they're not getting sales, or they didn't do the proper research again, and so their product is horrible and they give up. The next one is they get shut down by Amazon. Now this is kind of out of your control unless you're doing stuff that you know is wrong or against TOS. So I've seen people get shut down for review manipulation, sales manipulation, different Facebook ads. They were redirecting people to their website. So there's a lot of things that Amazon will do to shut you down if you're doing something wrong. Also IP infringement. If you're getting on someone's listing and trying to steal it or hijack it, you could get suspended or get kicked off. So a lot of people will say, hey, I used a review service and now all my reviews are gone, or I got suspended for review manipulation. And so the main thing is, don't do anything that's going to get your account suspended. Play by the rules. I know you could do some stuff that's a little off, like get reviews from influencers, but don't go to like different services that you never heard of and try to get them to help you out, and then your listing gets shut down, and then now all of a sudden all the work you put into it is gone. They shut you down and you have to try to get your account reinstated, and it could be a lot of work. So those are the three main reasons why a lot of new sellers fail on Amazon. But the main one is they pick the wrong product or they bundle something that doesn't go with the product. So that is why it is a good idea to learn from someone else. You can learn from me, learn from someone else. It doesn't have to be me. So if you're watching random YouTube videos, I always tell people you don't know what you don't know. So you don't really know what you're looking for. You're jumping from video to video. And some people could do that, but a lot of people fail because they don't follow all of the rules. They don't do the proper product and keyword research, like I've said 10 times, and they launch a bad product and they lose a ton of money, where if they would have reached out to someone that's already doing it before they jumped in, they could have saved themselves a lot of money, a lot of time, and they could have been on their way. Alright, so those are the top 3 reasons why a lot of new Amazon FBA sellers fail. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you want to see me do another video on a different topic. Again, also, you could join my FBA Facebook group. All of my links are down below in the description. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.